Hey guys, Natalie with Multi-Business Solutions here with some quick tips and tricks on QuickBooks Desktop. Today we're going to talk about creating, deleting, inactivating, and merging accounts. We are going to use our chart of accounts as an example. I'm going to go Control A to open that up. There are more than one way to do things within QuickBooks usually, so you can either right click and here's a drop down list of activities that you can do. You can also go about to your lower left hand corner on account and click on the drop down arrow. So we're going to say new, and I'm going to say I want to create a new expense account for printing. So I am going to do this here and save and close it. So there is my new account, easy peasy. Now I want to delete an account. So you can only delete accounts that have not had activity in it. So same way I could right click here and say delete. It would prop up and say, you sure you want to delete this account? Yes. So as long as it's not had transactions, you can delete it. If I would have picked an account that had activity in, we'll say my telephone expense account, and tried to delete it, it would say you cannot do that because it's had at least one transaction. So I can make those accounts inactive, which means they still are there in the QuickBooks file. They just don't show as an active item on your list. So we'll say, yes, I want to make this account inactive. You'll see it's no longer appearing on my chart of accounts list, but if I click here where it says include inactive, there is my telephone expense account. And if I click on the X, it's back active again. So if I accidentally inactivated it, it's easy to activate it again. The other thing that you can do is to merge accounts. So if you have accounts that you need to put together, you've created two accounts by mistake. So here's my printing account that I created. But if I look down here, I already had a printing and reproduction account. So in this case, I'm going to right click and say edit. I'm going to copy the name of the account that I want to keep. And I'm going to go to the account that I want to merge it with, edit. And I'm going to paste that name that I want to keep in the account name, save and close it. It says it's already being used. You want to merge it? Yes. So merging and inactivating, deleting, all of that works not only on the chart of accounts, but in your customer list as well. You can do similar activities by editing a customer, creating new customers, deleting them, or inactivating it, or from your vendor list. So if you go to your vendor list, you can also do similar things, right click, edit, delete, create new. So that's really simple. You want to make sure you keep your accounts cleaned up, whether it's your chart of accounts, your customer list, your vendor list. So get rid of the stuff you don't need, merge together accounts that have had activities in so you can keep those accounts balances together and create new accounts if you need to. So that's it. Thanks guys. Have a great day.